Hi, welcome back. It's Mimi here with Kid Stories and More. And as you can see, it's a crazy workspace like usual. That's pretty much how I live. I'm gonna do another ornament, and you might have seen this on on Pinterest, or if you are a kindergarten teacher or preschool teacher, you've probably made this already before. But if you haven't, it's a fun keepsake for parents to make, for teachers to make, and you will have it forever. So I'm going to kind of move stuff around here. And what you're going to do is you're going to get one of these plastic, you can get them at the dollar store or Michael's or anything, any hobby store, ornaments. And you are going to actually open this up and take out the top. And what you're going to put in here is first you are going to, here it is, sorry. You are going to get your favorite ribbon. It would be great if it was red or green since it's an ornament, or maybe something iridescent, something like frosty. And you are going to take your child and you are going to measure them with the string. So if this was your child, meet my buddy Nomi, okay? And you would measure, okay? You would have the child stand, and then you would just snip, when you reached the length of the child, okay? So that the length of this ribbon was as long as the child's height, okay? Since he's a little small, I'm going to just use the whole thing just to show you. But what you would do is you'd measure, you'd snip, and then you would take the ribbon and just kind of put it in here, right? I'm going to put the whole ribbon in here. I have this green and white gingham, which is great for the holidays. And this is so simple and easy. It doesn't cost a lot. I'm sure you have ribbon laying around. And if you don't, you could pick it up real cheap. Okay, and it'll make whatever design it's going to make inside this. Okay. And then there's a really simple, cute poem that you're going to make into a tag for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid back on. There we go. Quick and easy. I'm going to just take this off because you're not going to need that. You're going to be putting your own tag on here. Beauteous. So I'm going to take this, another ribbon I have. It's got a lot of silver. I don't know if you can see that, and like a teal color, but you could use gold, you could use red, you could use the same ribbon that you put inside. Either way is fine. And I'm going to make this in a bow and attach our ornament. Now our ornament is going, our ornament. So our tag is going to have a poem. And the poem, so I'm going to decorate a tag. I'm going to put this off to the side. I have loads of scrapbooking stuff. I used to love to scrapbook. Okay. And I have my, who remembers creative memories. Now I'm going to, I could do a circle and make like an ornament looking one, but I'm thinking I'm going to put a heart, okay? I think a heart for the holidays will be fantastic. So I'm going to cut this heart out twice. This is going to look like the border, and this will be the inside, so I will be able to write the message on it. You wouldn't really see it on the candy cane striped one. So this will be the smaller one. If you don't have this, you could just simply cut yours out by hand, draw it. You can make it all different ways. You can take past holiday cards and use those scrapbooking materials that you can get. All right. So there's my heart for the inside, and then I'm going to use the bigger one for the outside one. So hopefully if I did this right, it's been many years since I've used this. I miss scrapbooking. That was a hobby I did. I loved doing it. Not the digital scrapbooking that they have today, but the original scrapbooking that you did by hand and you cut out the pieces and you worked from scratch, and it just made these gorgeous books. I know it's obviously quicker and easier to use the digital, but there's nothing like a home. Okay, so we have that. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the green heart, see, and it'll have a little bit of a border. All right, I'm going to use these glue dots, these thin ones, or you could use double-sided tape. I don't want to use actual glue because then it might bleed through. Isn't that pretty? And then I'm going to write my message. So the poem is, oops, this ribbon is very special, as you will soon see. Take it out and you'll find that it's the same size as me. And then you would sign it from the child and put the year, of course, because you're going to want to remember what year it was from. And then when you take out the ribbon, it's like, oh, look how small he was. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to attach it, and then I'll show you the finalized product. Can you see that? Isn't that cute? And you will have that forever, hanging from your tree as a great remembrance. And you could do this every year. And then I put a little thing on the back. Let's see if I can show it to you. See, love Nomi and the year. Just decorated that with some extra scrapbooking stuff I had. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up. Give it a share if you can. That would really help me out. And if you're not already a subscriber, I hope you'll consider subscribing. For more crafts, we have read-alouds, we have challenges, we have all kinds of fun activities for families. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.